Hi guys, it's George from TeachMeFashion. Following on from my previous tutorial, how to sew the Jessica pattern, I'm excited to bring to you this tutorial today because getting creative is my forte and I absolutely love it. So I want you to be inspired to get creative and embellish your own pattern t-shirt or pair of jeans. I will be using the Jessica pattern for my base and I will be showing you my creative journey on how I was inspired to create my embellishment design. I used beads and sequins, but you can use anything you like, whatever you've got at home. It can be iron-on patches, sequins, beads, even scrap fabric. See the description below to check out the link to the Jessica pattern and also all the essential tools and equipment I used to embellish this singlet. I hope you're getting inspired because I love getting people inspired and being inspired. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to do so and be the first to know when we release new patterns and tutorials just like this one. And also don't forget to follow me on all my socials and hashtag TeachMeFashion so that I can see what you guys are up to and get inspired from you. See you later.